they are meant to enjoy. That is God's plan, marriage. But that if that is not there, people won't see any reason to stay. There are so many people who are staying together in their marriages. They don't talk. They don't even share jobs. They don't even share issues of life. Vanongobva kubasa, vangoti vagara paTV, akuona zvake bhora rake neChelsea neNewcastle, otopedza timu yake yadyiwa otowedzera kuti mwacha pamusoro, akutoenda chimwe norapa, mangwana anomuka makuseni, uyo atoenda pasi. There are so many people kuti anobva kumba makuseni na5 AM, anonzwa kubasa na10 PM mukadzi arapa. They are trying to avoid each other. They don't have time together. It is caused by these demons. They are meant to destroy marriages. They don't want to see marriage being sustained. They don't want to see marriage still around. So they come to destroy this marriage. So if one is under attack or under the influence of these spirits, they need deliverance. Because, the marriage is very key for many reasons. Number one, nations cannot be a nation without families. And families cannot be sustained without marriage. Kuti tine nyika inotangira kufamily. Even in church, kuti tine churches, church inotanga kufamily. Ndiko kunotangira church. So if the families are destroyed, then you cannot have health churches. You cannot have health nation. So the devil goes to destroy marriages. When he destroys marriages, it means